we are quite surprised. It has never happened in the history of Manipur, not only in the history of Manipur, the entire country, that is India, anywhere in the state. What is happening in India may not be happen, I don't think. As Jairamji already said, this incident, this unfortunate incident has begun last 3rd May. How many people has been died? It is most unfortunate, a rare incident. 2 communities, that is Maitai communities and so-called Kuki communities. I don't know what is the hidden agenda of both the state government as well as Center Shri Narendra Modi's government. Complete nearly 1 month, there is absolutely no stop at all. Still is firing took place. Today in the early morning, I am told, it is reported, 2 people was killed. The dead body, officially they claim, the state government has claimed, without yesterday and today's death, they claim 74 without missing person. Only dead body where they found, all those dead body also, still most of the dead body, they are not trying to identify it, and they are not trying to hand over to the next kin of their family member. You people all knows it has never happened anywhere in the state of Manipur. What is happening today in Manipur, if it is happened somewhere in other state, the India will be burned. But I don't know what is their intention, whether they thought it is a small state, let them kill each other. Kya karega? Let them die each other. They maybe thought that this is my consumption is that people of Manipur, how much they are underestimate, just like element, killing of element. Only yesterday, as Jairamji already mentioned, exact incident was took place, began from 3rd May. We thought that they may be busy for campaigning in Karnataka till 10th May. Immediate after 10 May, we thought that they may be rushed to Manipur. They may be immediately, they will be immediately interfere there. But till yesterday, only yesterday, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji rushed to Delhi. That is also in the evening, he came to Manipur. I don't know, this is what is their hidden agenda, secret agenda of this BJP government, both center and state. We don't know. Do whatever they like, but at least we would like to appeal, save people of Manipur. As Jairamji already mentioned, in 2001, there is unfortunate incident took place in Manipur when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister, L.K. Advani was Deputy Prime Minister, who is in charge of Home. There is ceasefire, peace talk between Naga insurgent group and the Government of India. By that time, if there is any agreement or ceasefire, peace talk agreement is there, there must be one ground rule. In that ground rule, they specifically mention this ceasefire, peace talk should be confined only in Nagaland state only. But immediate after amendment of that ground rule, it should be original ground rule, it should be confined only within Nagaland, But why they further amended without territorial limit? So people of Manipur, what they feel that Manipur integrity was breached. So suddenly people are aroused and people are stood up and they started torch all the assembly building, all ministers, chief ministers building. That is another, but human precious life, 21 people was killed. Then immediately they withdraw that further amendment of that ground rule. So, in 2001, that is June uprising. But now again, this is May, after 21 years, it is happened again. So see, we thought that if they are collected, including those missing persons, it may be cross more than 100 people also. Now what is happening there at present, both the communities who are displaced their family, around more than 2,000 houses, both hill and the valley, both the communities' houses, more than 2,000 houses has already totally gutted down and burned down. Those people who are staying earlier in their respective house, they are taking shelter more than different relief camp, including women, including childs, without any supplying from the government side, essential communities. Those local area clubs, civil society organization, they are donation, some of them they are donation, and some of them they are collected, so they are arranging those horrible relief camp. They thought that it's just like let them die, what they can do. This is most unfortunate. Being a citizen of this country, we can't stay there. So if they don't listen, you see, India is a democratic country. India's president is supreme commander of this country. We came here along with AICC leader, Honorable AICC President Khargeji, under his leadership. As Jairamji already explained, we have submitted one memorandum to Her Excellency, the President of India. Just simply, please help us, save Manipur. All those details will be available in this memorandum. So now, as a citizen of this country, we would like to appeal to the Honorable President and also Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister in particular. They should have to be immediately interfere. Those still burning tents everywhere in the periphery of the hillock, still this firing took place. So please stop this firing and also save from this burning Manipur. So only this much we would like to say, appeal to the Honorable Prime Minister and Home Minister, and also we will rush tomorrow at Imphal, and when Honorable Home Minister is there, we have already sent request letter for meeting Honorable Home Minister and directly apprise all these things. Lastly, from time immemorial, I don't like to take much time, the integrity of Manipur. Whomsoever, any organization, whether valley-based or whether hill-based, any organization, when any government, when they are trying to resolve once for all permanently, sorry, we cannot compromise our Manipur state's territorial integrity. With this few words, thank you very much.